The moment I became Miss City of San Fernando 2019. For a minute, everything stopped.
Our new queen, Miss City of San Fernando 2019. Candidate number 8, Roxanne Daniel Sanglay.
I never have imagined I would be able to carry the pride of representing my hometown. And I've never imagined I would have the opportunity to re-experience my people's city. Imagine waking up to a place where the uplands and the coasts meet. Imagine getting to experience a taste of 1,000 flavors in one bite. Imagine stepping into the wonders of nature. But more than that, imagine meeting the community that works hard to make it thrive. I am Roxanne Daniel Sanglay, and welcome to the city of San Fernando, our people's city. Here we celebrate the intricate history, rich culture, and our colorful traditions. Here the people embrace you with their smiles, and nature can be experienced in every corner. Let us experience the hidden treasure of Yvette's farm. This place is more than just a farm. People can experience the simple yet authentic life of farming, and what's more special about this farm is that we see noble and cheerful farmers smiling, and they treat each other as one family. So nandito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Abut kung saan ginagawa ang mga famous bamboo products ng San Fernando City. In Barangay Abut, we see passion-driven people and families who produce bamboo products. They put their heart and soul in every bamboo craft that they produce. More than these baskets, bags, and furniture lies the pattern of their stories and their dreams. Want a sip of a wine made out of ube? The famous ube wine of the city were produced by the locals of Barangay Langkwas. Awe-inspiring as it is, we will take the flow of the majestic waters and coasts of the city. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Kasay Marine Protected Area kung saan pinapangalagaan at prinoprotektahan ang mga likas na yamang tubig ng San Fernando. We, as a steward of God's creation, we assure and promise to protect the gift of our natural environment. This is the People's City, a city nurtured with natural wonders, kung saan ang agriturismo ay patuloy na angat dahil ang San Fernando ay para sa lahat.